Hey, sweetie. So this is Lolly, and I have this really cool interactive clock that you can look at on your own computer. The website is up at the top. I don't think that you're probably going to be able to do anything with it on this little presentation, but your mama can pull it up for you and you can play with it some. So I'm going to tell you some things about time that I know you already know, but I'm just going to remind you of them, and and we can just move on from there. So the first thing I'm going to tell you is that the red hand, that's the hour hand, and the blue hand, that is the minute hand. Well, the blue hand is the boss because the blue hand has to go all the way around the clock, 60 minutes, while the red hand only moves from one number to the next. And the red hand always moves in the same direction. It never goes backwards. It always goes forward like this until it gets to 12, and then it starts back over at 1. So let's just look at the blue hand right now. I'm going to move it, and you're going to see that the red hand is going to move just a little bit while I move the blue hand. So I'm going to move the blue hand around till it is on the 1, which is going to be 5 minutes after 7, because you've got those 5 little dots in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the fifth one is actually the 1, because each one of these numbers counts for 5 minutes. So I'm going to move it around to the 2. You're going to see it's 7:10, and you can tell that the red hand has moved just a little bit past the 7, but it's still not on the 8 yet. So it's still 7:10, 10 minutes after 7. So I'm going to move the blue hand 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Whoopsie, get up there. Okay, so it's 7:15. It's 15 minutes after the hour of 7. This has moved some more, but it's still not to the 8. All right. 7:16, 7:17, 7:18, 7:19, 7:20. So now it's 20 minutes past, and this has moved a little bit more. And you can watch this up here and tell what it's doing. Whoopsie, I went backwards, and I'm not supposed to do that. Okay, 7:21, 7:22, 7:23, 7:24, 7:25. It's 25 minutes after 7, and this red hand is almost halfway between the 7 and the 8. 7:26, 7:27, 7:28, 7:29, don't walk across this kitty cat, 7:30. Okay, so it is 7:30. Some people say it's 7:30. That means the same thing because it's half an hour past 7 o'clock. And this red hand is halfway between the 7 and the 8. But until this guy gets all the way around, it is still in the 7s. And you're going to see what I mean in just a minute. Okay, 7:31, 7:32, 7:33, 7:34, 7:35. Come on, baby. Okay, so this moved over a little bit more, and even though it's getting close to the 8, it's not 8 yet because this guy has not gotten all the way around. All right, 7:36, 7:37, 7:38, 7:39, 7:40. Okay, this looks very confusing because we're almost on top of each other, but this red hand is still not on the 8 because this blue guy has not gotten all the way up here. As long as this blue guy is still over here, it is still 40 minutes past 7. It cannot change the hour until this guy has gotten all the way up. All right. 7:41, 7:42, 7:43, 7:44, 7:45. Now, you say, oh, wait, it must be 8 o'clock because look, it's touching the 8. Nope, no cigar, because this guy's got to get all the way up here before this becomes 8 o'clock. All right, 7:46, 7:47, 7:48, 7:49, 7:50. It's 50 minutes past 8. 7. Some people could say that it is 10 minutes till 8. That means the same thing. But if you say 7:50 like you've got over here, then you're saying the correct time. And yes, this is almost on the 8, but it can't be 8 o'clock until this guy's gotten all the way around. It's like Monopoly. When you play Monopoly, you can't get $200 till you have passed go. Well, this is like go. All right, so 7:51, 7:52, 7:53, 7:54, 7:55. Yep, looks like it's look at this. But nope, nope, nope. It is still 7:55 because this fellow's got to get all the way to the 12. 7:56, 7:57, 7:58. See, look over here. We're still in the sevens. 7:59. And now, come on. There we go. Now we're on 8 o'clock. And we do the whole thing again on the 8 o'clocks until this blue hand gets all the way around to the 12 again, and then it will be 9. And then you do the whole thing again on the 9 o'clocks until that blue hand gets all the way around, and then it will be 10. And that is all I'm going to tell you today. I love you. Goodbye.